Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what did we see Thursday night into Friday? Thursday we opened down. We touched that 73 level after Boehner and Obama met at the White House, and that split off. Didn't happen. Friday was a day of hope, as Fridays tend to be. And what's been happening the last 2 days is that we've been doing these shallow morning lows and then breaking out to new highs. On Friday, it was a move above 92. What I told my subscribers was, on Thursday I said this. I said, if this is the morning low, then the bears are roadkill. And this big old candle right here is roadkill. What I said Friday was, if we do an AM low and we get over 92, it's roadkill 2.0. And once we got over 92, it never went back. So, you had two very strong days in a row. Now we're gapping down because the deal is not coming together as quickly as the market wants it to. I don't think the market is acting unreasonably. It just did 60 handles of pure faith that Washington is going to get a deal done in time. This is all based on faith. There's no hard evidence. There's been no bullet points, no parameters that an actual deal has been done. This is just all front-running a deal. Do I think a deal gets done? Yeah, I don't think we're going to default. I just, they're taking it up to the edge. I mean, this is your typical stuff, especially we've seen these particular players operate this way before. So, whereas at the end of the year, when we did that gap up, they didn't really front run it. They waited till they had a deal, they gapped up, and it was a gap and go. This party got started early. And my concern is a deal valued at 1,700? Is that a deal? A deal equals 1,700? Maybe. I think at this point, you have to look at this fib level here, this 1702.68. If we break above 1702.68, I think a test of highs is in order. But if this high remains the high, then it sets up a potential sell the news reaction. Now, from the bullish perspective, you've got 1640 down here. That 1640, you cannot lose that. You lose 1640, then it's 1625 and potentially 1580. So you have the playing field has been set in the last three sessions, 1640 to 1700. And the ball remains in Washington's court. So you have to keep an eye on the news. You have to use stops. You've got to use stops. And you also have to be skeptical of what you're reading, and you have to be looking for what is the next step after this one. Otherwise, you're just going to be chasing your tail in these headline markets. We are in an absolute news-driven market. The news trumps the technicals. The news trumps the fundamentals. The news of the shutdown trumps other news. And it certainly trumps earnings. Okay? This market is worried about a lot of things right now. They are not worried about Intel's margins. They are worried about the shutdown. Okay? So everybody have a great day. We've got double pivots at 1680.08, the 3-day and the 9-day. That is your support. That's this low right here, 80.75. It's coming up on those two pivots. A break below there, I think, is a test of 73. So everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Subscribe to the website so you get these posts a little faster without having to mess with your Twitter. And come check out the chat room. We did over 100 handles last week. I never talk about performance because I think it's tacky, but we're doing well in there, and I think we can help your trading. So come, just come check it out. There's no obligation, and if you like it, stay. And if you don't, it's all good. And because I'm going to keep doing these videos every day. Everybody have an amazing day. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.